Athletic design, sophisticated chassis technology originally developed for the BMW 4 Series Coupe, rear-wheel drive and 6-cylinder inline engine, are unique in the segment. Launch lineup will be spearheaded by a high-performance model from BMW M division, the BMW M240i xDrive Coupé, with a 374 horsepower, 6-cylinder inline petrol engine, and intelligent all-wheel drive. There will also be a choice of 4-cylinder petrol and diesel models, whose power is transmitted to the rear wheels. Standard specification includes 2-joint spring strut front axle, 5-link rear axle, lift-related dampers, and electric power steering, with Servotronic function. M Sport suspension including variable sport steering is available as an option. All the engines team up with an 8-speed Steptronic transmission as standard. Optional 8-speed Steptronic Sport transmission, with gearshift paddles on the steering wheel, plus launch control, is also available. Optional M Sport Package Pro can be added on top of the M Sport specification, to send an even clearer message about the car's dynamic abilities. Features include 19-inch M Light alloy wheels, M Sport brakes, the 8-speed Steptronic Sport transmission, a front spoiler lip and an M rear spoiler. Model-specific M performance parts will also be available for the new BMW 2 Series Coupe from launch. The BMW 2 Series gets iDrive 7 infotainment, including wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, that can be accessed on the optional head-up display. The software package also brings the usual BMW accoutrement, including Amazon Alexa integration, cloud-based navigation, and phone-based digital key technology. For the first time, the new 2 Series comes standard with a comprehensive list of active driver assist and safety technology. Automatic emergency braking, forward collision warning, lane departure monitoring and prevention, and rear cross-traffic and blind spot monitoring are all standard. Adaptive cruise control with stop and go functionality is an option.